The risks of HRT actually are extremely small and far outweighed by the benefits. One of the risks is if you take HRT as a tablet, so if you swallow your estrogen as a tablet, there's a very slightly higher risk of having a clot, a blood clot. But it's a very slightly higher risk than not very high at all. So it's still a very, very small risk. The question I get asked a lot about is breast cancer. And there's been so much misinformation over the years about HRT and breast cancer that actually it's scandalous, to be truthful. So HRT will not give you breast cancer. Women have a lifetime 1 in 8 risk of developing breast cancer, but the risk changes with your age. So it's different when you're 40 than it is when you're 70. The risk is increasing all the time. So there's nothing to suggest that HRT gives you breast cancer. But if you have a breast cancer there, it may be that the tumour will grow more, in which case it's detected more easily. And actually what the evidence has shown is that women who develop breast cancer when they're taking HRT have a better prognosis than women who have not taken HRT.